In the previous section, we used Fpga FIFO methods to get number of elements and clear the FIFO. By the end of this module, you will be able to compare various Fpga data sharing methods. Okay, so now that we're at the end of this lesson, let's compare some of the data sharing methods that we've talked about. Let's say we have some data and we need to share it between multiple loops or multiple VIs on your Fpga. So the first thing you want to think about is, do you need to only share the latest data, or do you need to transfer buffered values from one loop to the other, or from one VI to the other? So let's say you only need to share the latest data. For example, maybe you just need to share the value of a terminate control, or some terminate data. So if we only need to share latest data, then you can use the variable method. So we see here on the list there's variables, so you can use local variables or global variables, or you can use a memory item, or you can use a register item. So you notice that in the lossy column, all of those are lossy because they're only sharing the latest data. Okay. Let's say, however, that you need to actually share all the buffered data. So you want to make sure every value that was written gets read on the receiving side. In that case, you want to use Fifos. Okay, so we see that on the different FIFO implementations, those are not lossy, right? So with the Fifos, remember there's three types of implementations. There's the flip-flop one, the lookup table, or the block memory. And you choose the implementation based on how big your FIFO is. So we see that for FIFOs less than 100 bytes, you want to use flip-flops. From 100 to 300 bytes, you want to use a lookup table. And for FIFOs greater than 300 bytes, you probably want to use a memory implementation. So here, this chart kind of wraps things together, shows us the Fpga resources that are used for each method, and we see our common use as well. So this is a good summary for all the subjects that we talked about in this particular lesson.